everyone, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and in today's video, for my first ever video, I have signed into Roblox. Now all my friends have been telling me to sign into Roblox, so I have, and this is my username, so if you want to go and follow me or even send a friend request, it may be accepted, and yeah. So again, all my friends were telling me to play this game, so I thought, yep, I should check it out for you guys. I'm sorry everyone, guys and girls, because I know all of you aren't guys, okay? So I checked it out for you guys and girls to come and watch me play this. So before we get straight onto the video, please can you leave me a like? That would be very much appreciated. So if you just click that like with your finger or your mouse, that would be very much appreciated. And if you would also like to subscribe, just click that subscribe button with your finger or your mouse, whichever device you are on. Okay guys, so I couldn't get rid of the text because my stupid recorder finger's in the way, so we're just gonna have to leave the text on. Sorry about that guys, if it has any swearing or rude stuff, and I'll try and blur that out. If I don't, I'm very sorry. So that's just a little warning for you guys, and yeah. So a lot is going on right now, so am I going to be a prisoner or a police? I think I'll start with a police. Confirm. Oh, this is me. Oh my gosh, we're in the game. Okay, so the control is W to walk, A to go side that way, D to go that way, and S to go backwards. Okay, right. This is pretty cool. And we've got a gun, handcuffs, and a taser. Okay, this is cool. Right, let's just put my gun away. And, oh, look, there's a prisoner. Can we arrest him? Wait, he hasn't done anything wrong though, so... Oh no, he got arrested. Don't shoot him, he hasn't done anything wrong. You're gonna get... Can I arrest this guy, or is he... Oh great, now I've lost £25 because I arrested someone who didn't need arresting. Do you need arresting? I don't know if this guy needs arresting. Should I arrest him? Can I arrest him? I'm trying to chase this guy, but I don't know if he needs arresting. Okay, alright, I'm fed up with chasing that guy. That guy can do whatever he wants because it obviously doesn't look like he's done anything wrong. Okay, oh look, there's a car up there. What, can we drive a car? Can we? Is there a car? Oh my gosh, there's a car! That one costs a lot of money, so I don't think we can get that one. Let's see. That guy was a bad guy! Because he just started a robbery. Okay, right, let's drive. Oh my gosh, this is hot. Oh, he got arrested. I was gonna go and arrest him, but he got arrested. Why can't I drive? Oh, I was in the passenger seat. Okay, this is making a lot of noise. Let's turn it down. Turn it down. Let's go over this. Oh my gosh. Let's go over this. Ooh. Oh, what's this? I've got some rocket fuel. I don't want to waste any though. Let's put our alarm on. Nino, and a light. Oh. There's been a car accident. Help. Oh, we're back. You know what, I think we're going to go back to the police station. And we're just going... I don't think I want to go out yet because I don't know. I don't really have a clue where I'm going. So I think I'm going to go back and just sort out prisoners that are trying to escape there. Okay. Is that a prisoner? Nope, that's a police. Now that is a long name. Visitors. Is this where you go, like, when prisoners meet their families, I think? I don't know. Right, is there anyone being naughty and cheeky coming in here? Anyone? You. I don't trust you. Dun 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 dun. Have you done anything wrong? I love your t-shirt, by the way. Did you just try to tase me? Well, guess what? I have a taser too. And I'm gonna arrest him. Oh no, wait. Wait for him to steal my key card and then I'll arrest him. Well, I arrested him. But can I arrest him? Has he done anything wrong? Nope, he's just taking my money. Because he is innocent. Well, he's not very innocent because he's in jail. Yeah. Oh, we can get police uniform on. Can we? Put this on, and put this on. Oh no, the hat. It's kind of gone in my hair. But that doesn't matter. Oh, we can get a shotgun. I want to get a shotgun. 4. Yay! We got a shotgun. Excuse me, what are you trying to do? No, we can't let him go. Quickly, quickly. No, wait. Oh, there he is. There he is. Right. No, I want to arrest him. Ah. Okay. Alright. I think that's enough for being a police today. Let's go in a different game. Okay, so escape and okay, that game was actually fun. I liked that game, Jailbreak. It was fun. Now, maybe in the next episode, I can try and be a criminal. I don't know what I'm going to do for the next episode, guys and girls. I said guys and girls. I didn't do that this time. Should we try out a different game before we end the video? What games are there? Okay, so it says on my recently played, I've played Jailbreak. Okay, let's go in a game. Okay guys, so I joined this game called Royal High, and I actually think it... Princess Lizzie, like Cat Lizzie, like my channel. Do you know my channel, even though I haven't uploaded my first video, which is this one? Okay. So, yeah, I saw this game and I thought it looked pretty cool, so I was gonna test it out. But we are running out of time, guys, so... Guys and girls, sorry. So, oh my god, did I just fly? Oh my god, I'm flying! So, I'm only gonna have a little bit of a wonder on this game, and maybe in the next episode, I can carry on with this game. Can I fly again? I'm gonna fly. Okay, so you just double tap the space bar. Oh, I'm flying! How does everyone get these costumes? I mean, look at her hair. Do you need Robux? Oh wait, is it this? Custom outfit? Yeah! My roleplay name is Lizzie. Lizzie. And I'm a girl. Let's do my outfits. What outfit should I wear? I want a casual outfit. Let's wait for it all to load. This is cute. I like this, but I don't know. Do we want something more formal and fancy? I actually really like that. I think I'm going to keep that. And let's choose my hair because we were desperately running out of time here. I want blonde hair. I want to keep mine blonde. I don't want to change my colour hair. Oh, this one looks pretty. Let's hear this one. Nah, I don't like that one. Is this where you get the like long hairs from? Like we saw that girl. Okay, now I'm bold. Oh, wow, that is long. Very long. Really long. Let's see this one. I actually like this one. Maybe you just need to change our face now. I'm gonna keep that hair. Our face. Now, I want a full face. I don't want to make my own. Oh, this one's nice. Very, very glossy, to say that. Oh, this one's so pretty. I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, this is me, guys. Lizzie. And, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.